So we just made a batch of fresh lemon ice. I just want to show you, as you can see, when we extract the product, we want to maintain a levelness in the top of the tub here. It's very important, because if not, if I have peaks and valleys, my flavor and my juice is going to separate in that peaks and valleys, and I'm going to have an inconsistent ice. You can see it's actually already starting initially to do it when I only have it there for seconds. So we want to make sure we maintain a nice levelness to our tub, and that's after every scoop. Okay? And you can see, coming out of our machine with the right ingredients, you have a beautifully soft ice, lemon ice. When I put it in my cup, I build my little top there, and as you can see, it gets a little bit messy when I'm done. Smooth it out. Okay? And you're ready to serve your next product.